Introducing the new ISOTunes Link-Aware, an over-ear headphone-style hearing protector that's here to keep your ears safe and aware throughout the day. It integrates Aware technology, same tech found on the free Aware earbuds, designed to shield you from dangerous noises while allowing you to communicate with people and hear the world around you. It's like having super ears that listen to everything. The Aware technology, aka level dependent, works essentially like ANC headphones with ambient transparency mode. It uses specialized omnidirectional microphones to pick up outside sounds, like people talking and warning signals, and then vary the sound amplification while simultaneously protecting your ears from loud and potentially harmful noises. The external sound processing is all done automatically, analyzing the intensity of these sounds and adjusting their volume accordingly before transmitting them to your ears. In turn, Link-Aware maintains safe and comfortable hearing levels, while still allowing you to be aware of important sounds, such as speech, warning signals, or approaching vehicles. It's like having a magical sound enhancer for your ears. Link-Aware also feature onboard volume buttons, so you can choose how loud you want the sounds to be. It's like being the boss of your own hearing magic. In terms of construction, Link-Aware is made of green plastic partially rubberized with black trim. The onboard EARCUP buttons are also rubber and feature tone feedback and loud clicky actuation. You can accept calls, answer, end, play, pause, control the volume of the music and the volume of the external mics. As far as audio quality, it is good for a hearing protector but not on par with audio-focused headsets. Hence Link-Aware isn't suitable for stereo or gaming. The call quality is good. The mic picks your voice loud and clear, while suppressing unwanted noises from the call. The ear cups integrate metal wire hinges for tilting. The tilting mechanism has a wide range of motion designed to allow you to fold the ear cups inwards to reduce the footprint. The Link-Aware ear cups do not swivel, hence you cannot rotate the ear cups flat. The earpad's springy foam is covered with thick soft rubber material. Inner hole dimensions: 4 cm wide by 6.5 cm high by 1.5 cm deep. Outer hole dimensions: 10 cm high by 7.5 cm wide. The drivers are covered with thick breathable mesh padding. The Link-Aware earpads can be detached, which is great should you need to replace them. The earpads are comfortable and provide superb noise isolation, which has the added benefit of minimizing sound leakage. See video. The headband, 5 cm wide, is aerated and wide but has no padding, although it is entirely made of flexible rubber, which provides some cushioning. There is no inner band inside the headband, hence no head height adjustment. Above the ear cups, you also find thick rubber cabling coming out of the top. There is no visible status LEDs on the ear cups, hence no flashing Bluetooth light. The only LED light is the charging light LED, which is hidden under the rubber cover. Link-Aware are battery-powered via a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack located on the left EARCUP. The battery pack is removable, allowing you to replace it. You can even use AAA batteries to power Link-Aware. Battery life is 10 hours with a charging time of 3 hours. Accessing the battery pack is super easy. The EARCUP outer panel simply slides off, allowing you to gain access to the battery compartment. Would have been neat if Link-Aware had a 3.5mm jack for wired audio, but it doesn't, so you can only use them wirelessly. Link-Aware isn't designed for wet conditions but has an IPX4 water rating, which means this hearing protector can only withstand splashing water. Despite the low protection though, the charging port is protected by a rubber cover, which is good. Overall, Link-Aware is a solid solution for anyone working in places with loud noises like a workshop where people use hammers or nail guns. The Aware technology makes noises quieter, like magic, while still letting you hear safe sounds loud and clear. If you're in a really loud place all the time, like with lawnmowers or sanders, the Link-Aware will keep all the sounds out until they get quieter. It's like having a magical mute button for your ears. This is the main selling point of Link-Aware over ANC headphones, which makes noises unsafely quiet in dangerous work environments.